Jamaica still continues to celebrate their historic performance at the Tokyo Olympics. Olympic champion Hansle Parchment, who hails from the parish of St. Thomas, received a hero's welcome when he visited the parish early this morning. Parchment took home the medal in the 110-meter hurdles finals at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics. When we return, we'll have exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV, Celebrity to the Scoop. So Jamaica still continues to celebrate as we welcome home our athletes from the Tokyo Olympics who did the country very proud in various sporting disciplines. And I just want to take this opportunity to congratulate all the athletes and all the persons that participated in various events that represented the country, and they did it to the best of their abilities. Now the celebration mode has started as the athletes return home to Jamaica, and a number of motorcades have been lined up to traverse the different areas of the parish for where these individuals would have hailed from. So Hansle Parchment gets a grand welcome from the Tokyo Olympics, while residents of Springfield in St. Thomas lit up with excitement early this morning as their hurdle hero Hansle Parchment led a motorcade through the parish. St. Thomas native returned to Jamaica yesterday with his gold medal run in the men's 110-meter hurdles at the Tokyo Olympics in Japan. And I can tell you that the celebration mood is very tight right now as people just try to congratulate him and get a glimpse of one of our dear stars. So the Olympic 110-meter hurdles champion Hansle Parchment has called for more public support for the Jamaican athletes in their difficult period. Parchment returned to the island via Daniel Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay yesterday, and he was greeted by a number of government officials and also fans that were on hand to capture this spectacular moment. Olympic champion Hansle Parchment believes that the sprint hurdles could become a potentially prime event in the near future, given the increased competitiveness across the sport. Parchment argued that too much focus is being placed on sprint events when defining the future of Jamaica's male athletes, in particular since the retirement of Usain Bolt back in 2017. Making reference to Jamaica's performance in the men's 110-meter hurdles as well as Megan Topper's historic medal victory in the equivalent race, and just to conclude the Tokyo 2020 Olympics Games, Parchment said that those performances could just be the beginning of what is expected to be an awesome Jamaican athletic team to go ahead and compete against the world. Parchment, who rose to the challenge to top the Olympic podium in a seasonal best of 13.04 seconds, the fastest time he has run in 6 years, believed that the continued success of men and women in the obstacle race will either motivate others to inspire them in order to try these races. The 31-year-old defeated the American Grant Holloway in 13.09 seconds, who entered the event as the overwhelming favorite, on his way to becoming the second Jamaican athlete. The 31-year-old defeated the American Grant Holloway in 13.09 seconds, who entered the event as the overwhelming favorite, on his way to becoming the second Jamaican Olympic gold medalist in the 110-meter hurdles. And we must say that this is really good for Jamaica, and this individual, he has done the country very proud and performed to the best of his ability to spread the flag of Jamaica for the world to see. So congratulations once more goes out to Hansle Parchment and achieving this milestone accomplishment for Jamaica and for the world as well, because this was viewed right across the world, and it just goes to show you that Jamaican athletes really have what it takes to be on that forefront of the international scene.
Crying first now, we're running a lot of tears right now. Honestly, I didn't expect any of this, but I should have known because Bertram was in charge. You know, there's so many people that I'd like to thank, but we listened so long. Hello? Testing? Better? Yeah, so many people I'd like to thank, and the list would be too long if I should go through everybody, but I'll just single out a few. I must big up my sponsors. They have stuck by me. Grace Kennedy, Puma, my family, the Mark Bay School family. Now I have to single out Mr. Brian and Miss Ford. They know the journey, how far I'm coming from. You know what I mean? They have been a rock in my corner to, you know, help me to get this far. And I just want to big them up. Big up my family again. I remember, you know, just down there on the stage, you know, all the ice bath we did in preparation for, you know? But one more thing I'd like to add before I finish. We know everybody like a winner, and when you're winning, the support is huge. Everybody come on board, and you know that is all fun and thing, but we want to encourage the support for those who are not at the top, to motivate them as well. You know, we have talent all around. We have a lot of other athletes who maybe if we give them just a little bit more support, they would be one of the biggest as well. So I want us to push and keep motivating and supporting everyone, not just our athletes, but you know, whatever field that you're taking on, to just push forward and be the greatest as you can be. You know, big up Mark Bay School every time.
Hey, come on. Welcome to Olympus Gold Medal.
This has been